Right, so here we are. We have created our USB recovery media. It is stored on this 8GB USB key. Now all I'm going to do is put it into the USB slot on the target PC. This unit here is the computer that we would like to reinstall Windows onto. It already has Windows, but you don't need to have a PC with Windows on it. You could have a Linux PC, you could have a PC with a completely blank hard drive. You go through the same process to create the USB recovery media. What we do now is we want to boot the PC from the USB key. So I am going to shut down the computer and it is going to reboot. And when it reboots, because there's a USB key in there with the recovery software, it is going to boot from that drive. It takes a little bit longer than normal, so don't worry if you see a blank screen for a few seconds. You'll see a small animated graphic after a little while that shows that something is happening. It is actually working, it's booting up. So hopefully we will see that. There we are. We can see the graphic right there. So we know it's now working, it's booting from the USB key. Ordinarily, of course, you'd have got into Windows by this stage if that wasn't working. There are some situations where a computer can be set up not to boot from a USB drive. That can be a setting in the BIOS in the computer. So you may need to enter the BIOS and make sure that the computer is set to boot from a USB if one is entered in there. Now we have an option to choose the language. So I'm happy that I'd like to install Windows in English. So I'm going to click to install. So it's now going to start the setup process. It's going to ask me one or two more questions. It's going to ask me for a license key. So if you have a license key, this is the point you would enter it. If you do not have the product key, you can skip this and enter your license key later. And now you get the choice as to which version that you wish to install. Clearly you need to install the version that you have the license key for. So in this case, I'd like to install Windows 10 Pro. And here's the license agreement. So I would like to accept that license agreement and proceed. And now you have a choice. Would you like to do a custom install? So this will remove everything on the disk and will install a fresh copy of Windows. This version will keep your current files and settings. So if you're having problems, so you have a virus or some kind of malware on the computer, you want to completely wipe everything on the disk. So you should choose the custom install option. If you wish to keep your files but you wish to repair your Windows installation, then choose the top option. If I click on one of these, it will go ahead and it will install Windows. So I am going to leave it there, and hopefully everyone has enough information to progress and install Windows on their PC. Thanks very much for watching.